Alright, Orianatics. Let me show you what I've been up to on sale Oria today, Saturday. I put a layer of chop strand over the clean side of the plywood. It's going to be painted with 3 coats of primer, 3 coats of finish anyway. They're bulkheads. Put a second layer of the 13-ounce glass going the opposite direction on the back side of the foam. And the big thing that I did was trimmed the skeg and faired it. I think it's going to turn out really well when I sand it. But there it is. And also the rudder. They just need to be sanded and they're ready for primer and finish coat. But the big thing I did was fair Oria's entire cockpit. All faired, ready for sanding and primer. And the finish fair on the deck. It's now pretty damn smooth. So that and the cabin sides turned out really well. Tomorrow I'm going to sand them. And I'll try to get a coat of primer on them. If I don't get a coat of primer on them tomorrow, I'll get it on next week. We're supposed to have a couple of nice days, so I'm not worried about that. But everybody take care, stay corona free, be happy. See ya.